Hi, here's how I painted these pretty little flowers. You can do it as well if you're a beginner. Choose a colour. I have violet from Shinhan PWC. Pop down 5 dots like this, because 5 dots equals 5 petals, and then rinse your brush and then pick up a watery mixture of a second colour. I have Hobein Shell pink, really nice colour. And then gently pull the colour out and the two colours will mix on the paper. The paper I'm using is 100% cotton paper. It is brand Fuumuui, Fuumuui. It's not expensive bit of paper, but it is still 100% cotton and it's 300 GSM, so it will handle the water really well. That's really important when you are painting with watercolour paints. So now I'm adding a bit more of that original colour that I started off with, which was the violet, and I'm just putting that really carefully into the centre of the flower. Really carefully, just a little bit. If you do too much, the centre will just bleed and it will all be one colour and it will be ruined. I know this because I've done that so many times before. Then do the next petal. I've chosen the two colours, Opera Pink from Shinhan, and I've still kept the same Hobein Pink, which is looking really, really nice. And just do exactly the same thing. Just make sure you rinse your brush in between petals and in between paints. I hope that makes sense. I think in the next one I'll make sure my palette is seen so that you can see exactly what I'm doing. Okay, so I didn't say this bit about the other petal. Rinse your brush so you've got clean water, dab the excess off and just soften the edges. That's how you get that sort of dreamy, loose, soften, watery, dreamy look. I used Opera Pink, so I'm going into the centre of this flower with Opera Pink. And again, really light touches. Use the tippy point of a brush or a smaller brush to do those small dabs. I'm using orange. I'm really bad at knowing the colours, but I'm using orange from the Shinhan, and I've gone back with Hobein with the same pink, but it looks too orangey, so I'm just going to rinse my brush and just add some more of that pink, but it still looks really orange. That's okay, we can go with it. It will still work. It still looks really nice. I'm just making these petals just a bit longer so that when I add the orange, it will just bloom nicely. Again, soften the edges. I've picked up another colour accidentally from my cloth because there's other colours on there. So if that does happen, rinse your brush and just smooth it all out. Just soften it again. Soften it all over. Soften, soften. Okay, so let's leave those to dry off for a bit and then we'll add in some leaves. I'm just using my brush to create the shape of the leaf. And if this is something that you would like more tutorials on, if you want me to do more leaves, let me know in the comments. Leave me a little comment just to say you want more leaves or you want more flower tutorials like this. Then yeah, please let me know. I'm going in with a darker colour into the centre of the petals now that it's just dried off ever so slightly. I'm being careful with that orange one because obviously I've just done that one, but you could use Payne's grey, you could use sepia, you could use like a dark brown, anything sort of slightly darker really, but just be careful how you use it. Just do little touches. I hope this has helped you, and if you have any questions or you want me to do more like this, then just let me know in the comments. Have a good day. Take care. Bye. Oh, before you go, YouTube recommends you watch this next.